This is how you're going to use KOJIC soap to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and even skin tone in your skin. This video, I'm also going to show you some of the ingredients that you should avoid using with KOJIC soap to avoid your skin from being sensitive and over drying. KOJIC soap has skin brightening properties used to address hyperpigmentation. If you use KOJIC soap properly, it's going to help you even your skin tone, get rid of your acne scars, and even your skin tone. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and let me know if you have tried KOJIC soap before for hyperpigmentation or acne scars on the comment section. You want to be very mindful how you use this product, because this product, if you overuse it, it's going to cause dryness, sensitivity to your skin. So this is the brand that I use. I use KOJIC. This is the brand that I use. This one over here. So this is how to use KOJIC soap. So this is one product that you want to do a patch test first. This is one product that can cause your skin to be very, very sensitive. So you want to do a patch test. You can do it on the back of your ears, or you can do a patch test here. You just put a little bit of it and wash it out after some few minutes. Then you'll know if the product is going, if you see rashes, or if you see some type of, you will feel sensitivity, then you know the product is going to react to the skin. You want to do the patch test. When introducing this product to your skin, you want to start using this product only once per day, and that once per day should be at night. So it has exfoliation properties, so you don't want to use this product every day. You're going to over exfoliate your skin, and it's also going to make your skin sensitive. So you want to start using it gradually, so you use it just once per night. Otherwise, if you overuse this product, your skin, you're going to just... So this is how I use it. I just use a little bit of it, put in my hands. And the reason why I use KOJIC soap is I have hyperpigmentation, especially at the top of my mouth, like you can see it over here. And it was actually worse before I started using KOJIC soap. So I just use a little bit of it, and I also use KOJIC soap because I have very bad armpit, to help me brighten my armpit. So this is one product that you don't want to leave it on your skin for long. Just 30 seconds is enough. Just 30 seconds in your skin is enough, then you want to wash it out. So this is how I use it, and I'll always concentrate on the areas that I have problems with. Then I go ahead and rinse it out. So no matter how careful I am, KOJIC soap always end up drying my skin. So the first thing I always want to do after using KOJIC soap is follow it with a calming toner, a full calming toner, or you can use, sometimes I go ahead and spray my skin with this thermal spring water. You want to spray it all over on your skin, so that it can bring the hydration back, because this product will dry your skin. So I'm going to use this toner today. So this is the reason why you want to start using this product. You want to start using this product only at night, once per week or twice per week. You don't want to over exfoliate your skin. You don't want to increase sensitivity on your skin. So this is how you're going to use it for it to be effective on your skin without drying your skin or without making your skin sensitive. After applying a toner, you want to go in with a moisturizer. Sweetheart, if you're using KOJIC soap, you're going to try and invest in a good moisturizer. Example of some good moisturizers that you want to try, or the ones that I use are this one from CeraVe moisturizing cream, or I use this one. This one is for dry to very dry skin. So after using KOJIC soap, my skin is always dry, so you want to invest in a good moisturizer. KOJIC soap is going to leave your skin dry. And I use these Cica Plus Balm B5. These are some of good moisturizers you want to invest in if you're going to use KOJIC soap. KOJIC soap is it's not expensive. It's an expensive way to help you get rid of hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, acne scars. I've been there and I know how acne scars. When I used to have acne scars, or hyperpigmentation, even these ones that I have right now, sometimes I feel insecure with my skin myself. So I try to use KOJIC soap to help me, because this is the only thing that I find that is getting my hyperpigmentation out. And sometimes after applying a toner, I use a vitamin C. You want to make sure that you also invest in a good vitamin C. So sometimes I use this numbuzin. Vitamin C. So a numbuzin is also a Korean skincare brand. So I just use a little bit of it on my skin. You can actually see how my skin is dry already. So KOJIC soap and vitamin C will work well. Vitamin C is going to help you brighten your skin, and KOJIC soap is also going to help you brighten your skin, give you even skin tone. After applying vitamin C, then go in with this CeraVe moisturizing cream, or you can use any other good moisturizers that you have, because you don't want this product to irritate your skin. You want to make sure that you use a good moisturizer for it to and after applying a moisturizer, sweetheart, also invest in a good sunscreen. KOJIC soap is going to make your skin sensitive. However spaces you're going to use it, even if you're going to use it once per week or twice per week, it's going to irritate your skin. So you want to invest in a good sunscreen. So I'm using this Bondi Sands SPF 50. You want to invest in a good sunscreen that is SPF 50 and above, and you want to be consistent with these. You want to be consistent with this KOJIC soap. KOJIC soap is going to work. You don't want to overuse it, but it's going to work on your skin. If you use it, if you're starting, just use once per week per night, and as your skin goes on with it, as your skin get used to it, then you can increase to maybe twice a week. I wouldn't follow them, like if I use it on Monday and follow it on Tuesday. I wouldn't. If I use it on Monday, I might use it on Wednesday and maybe on Sunday, or just twice a week. So this is how you're going to use KOJIC soap to actually help you to get rid of hyperpigmentation. Then the other thing is that you want to make sure that you don't fall and get a fake KOJIC soap. If you have not had the fake one, but make sure that you get the real one. You don't. So these are some of the ingredients that you're going to avoid mixing with KOJIC soap. So ingredients like benzoyl peroxide. I'll show you some of the skincare products that have benzoyl peroxide on the screen. But there are ingredients that are always found in acne treatment products. And also you want to avoid using retinols on the days that you're using KOJIC soap. So if you use, like today I use KOJIC soap, I'm not going to use retinol. I might use retinol tomorrow. So retinols are like the CeraVe retinol serum, so you want to avoid mixing them together. Retinols sometimes will cause dryness on your skin, and KOJIC soap is also drying, and sometimes retinols will cause irritation to your skin. So you want to make sure that you don't use them together. And also you want to also avoid products with BHA, AHA, salicylic acid, like this one from Paula's Choice. You don't want to use these products together. An exfoliant, so it will exfoliate your skin. KOJIC soap is also going to exfoliate your your skin. So you means you're exfoliating your skin, you're over exfoliating your skin, and it will cause dryness, it will cause irritation to your skin, and it will also cause your skin to be very, very sensitive. This is one ingredient that you should actually avoid using in your skincare products, or you should just avoid using hydroquinone. It's an ingredient that is found in this word products. You want to avoid this ingredient with all means. It's going to destroy your skin. It's going to your skin. It's going to do whatever they're doing to your skin, but at long run it's going to destroy your skin, and it will leave you with permanent, when you withdraw from them, it will leave you with permanent hyperpigmentation that will take you long and long to get rid of. These are some of the ingredients you can mix with KOJIC. You can mix with KOJIC soap. So like vitamin C, you can use arbutin, this word over here, or licorice extract. And so that when you're using this product, it's falling out. It's actually falling out because I've been using a lot of them. So you want to make sure that when you're using KOJIC, when you're using KOJIC soap, make sunscreen your best friend and invest in a good moisturizer. This product will dry your skin. You don't want to dry your skin. It will destroy your skin barrier, and you want to be mindful of what you're mixing this product with, and you want to be mindful of what you're mixing this product with. And this is how my skin is. Let me know in the comment section below, have you tried this KOJIC soap for hyperpigmentation? I get this product direct from KOJIC website, or you can get them from also Amazon. I think about this one at £10. I can't remember how much it was, but I will go and check on my Amazon and let you know how much it was. So you want to make sure you use sunscreen, mindful of products that you mix with this product. So yes, that is how you're going to get rid of hyperpigmentation with KOJIC soap. So yes, and please, this is the end of this video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.